This is Dr. Abid. I just want to actually balance out the theoretical underpinnings in design verification and the practical thing that you need to know. So this video is more related to some practical aspects. So I think so far you have been actually testing the design under design using a test bench. So I just want to take a little deviation so that how you're going to write a portable test environment. Okay, so in your current scenario, basically you have your dot inside a test bench, and this is really intricate. So I cannot, even if I'm generating some test cases, I cannot use those test cases. So in this video we will be just focusing on how we want to separate three things. So design, then test, and then talk. So I will talk about this one. Then I will just talk about the SystemVerilog support, design verification, and in particularly two aspects: what are the data types, and what is function versus task. So I will try to keep short videos on these topics. So let's just start with the first one. All right. So I think we have already talked about the memory in our previous videos. So just take the memory as your dot, okay, and then we have written a test bench. This is the conceptual view. So you have a driver over here, and then you have a checker over here. This is just all conceptual. Actually, these two are actually part of your test bench. Okay, they are not different modules, they are just different blocks within the test bench. Okay, and within the test bench we are actually generating the clock, read, write, and these signals, and then getting the response out in the checker. And we know that in our case the checker was actually through waveforms. Okay, now what I want to let you know that so this is your dot. So this, I'm not changing the dot part, but what I'm going to do is that I'm just taking the driver part and the checker part, and then actually putting them both of them into another module. So this is a module just like your memory.sv is a module, and we created an instance of that module as dot. We will having a module memory test.sv, and we are going to create an instance named test over here. So that contains driver plus checker in memory underscore test. So what we are doing over here is we are generating. So there is a mistake over here. Let me just correct it out. So this is not. We are not getting a clock, generating a clock from here. Clock is actually generated from the test bench and just given to the dot, as well as this test module as well. Okay, so clock is given to both of them, and then we are actually this test module is actually generating the reset, the read, write, address, data in, and then it is actually getting the data out back from the dot. And it is this is the driver part. Okay, let me just highlight the driving part. So this is the driver part, and let me just highlight the response part, the response part from here, and then there will be a checker inside the test which is actually checking the response, the expected output against this actual output. Okay, so we have actually let you know that from here onwards all your design and your verification environment will not be a plain flat test bench. You will have two modules. One module is the dot that you will be design under test, and then you need to write another module, so memory underscore test, and You will put all your driver and checker code inside that module, and you make a instance of that one in your top test instance, and then your top within your top you will have both of these instances and a mechanism to generate clock. Now the beauty of this whole thing is that we have actually made this portable. Okay, so this has become portable now. I can really take this test in some other project as well, where I want to test the memory, and I just have to provide it the clock, and it will just start generating the stimulus. Okay, so this is a really cool thing. I think that just stop over here. This is just a separate topic of its own, and we will start with the system Verilog support for verification next video.